All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Everybody's doing well on this Altcoin Tuesday. Let's take a look right now. Chainlink. Let's take a look at Chainlink in 5 minutes. We're going to pull up this 4-hour graph. We're going to talk about Link. Obviously, Link, much like some other altcoins, like Synthetics comes to mind, have kind of been lingering and not really participated in a lot of these rallies, whether peaks and valleys, pumps and dumps. Really haven't, substantially participated in the last few months. It hasn't really been very much news, really, in a lot of the DeFi space, a lot of the Oracle space here in the last few weeks. We've kind of gotten a little bit of pop here with Chainlink because of what's happened with Bitcoin, obviously. Although it's only 0.75 correlated with Bitcoin, so there is a little. That's definitely on the low end for a lot of altcoins, believe it or not. But we're going to pull this up. We're going to take a look at where we're at, where we stand now. We got one more critical resistance level to break, both on the technical analytics side and the on-chain side. We're going to pull this up. A lot of stuff on this graph, mates, okay, to kind of get a handle on, all right? This goes back to our video last week on Chainlink with support at 340. You had ascending trend lines, offering support there, as well as on-chain metric support there. Bounced off it. We thought it would propel to 1575. It did. Okay. And then it broke 1575. And then now it's tested up here at the 19 channel, which needs to break. Okay. Now, we've already eclipsed a lot of other from a technical basis, in terms of breaking or defeating. We defeated the May and June lows, okay, in terms of weren't forced below those lows. Okay, we've overcome the 2018 ascending trend line, okay? And then you also have the May descending, okay? It was in that $15 to $16 range, broke that, okay? So we're definitely here with some positive stuff. All this is coming off of, like we covered last week, a 37% decline in Chainlink. Okay, all the way down to an RSI level of 17, which obviously us in our trading group triggered us buy signal for us, and then here you go, you're off. Okay, again, this is a 4-hour chart, and to test the 50-day simple moving average is huge. Okay, but here's what we get. Prime example right here. We get to that resistance barrier, both on chain, whether you use the IO map for supply and demand barrier, or on a technical basis, pullback, okay? Now we're getting a reversal, okay, from the pullback. Now, you can also, things that you can do when you want to take a look at where the use of on-chain metrics, where other traders are accumulating, okay? And that's what you use the on-chain and the blockchain metrics for, okay? In terms of where are you sitting right now? Well, right now, 44% of Chainlink holders are in the money, 52% are out of the money. That tells you that 52% of all the people that hold Chainlink today bought above roughly $18 to $19 range, okay? 77% of all holders of Chainlink have held that for less than 12 months, and 7% have held it for less than a month. So 7% of the current supply, current holders of Chainlink accumulated here in the last month. All right. And that's how you want to look at that. So you do have some significant on-chain data that is bullish. The MVRV is bullish. However, you also have a lot of Chainlink in terms of supply, okay, on exchanges. That can be bearish. Okay, so you have to kind of balance that out with where you are on a technical basis here. And so what we want to see Chainlink to do is obviously break 19. That's what we're looking for to do. And then we move to the next level. Now, I believe if you break 19, you're going to move to 22. Okay, and then you get a little bit more on the IO map in terms of supply and demand barrier there. But I really, really think if Bitcoin holds 38,000 and Ethereum holds 2,300, 2,300, and doesn't break down again, setting up for some consolidation, a little sideways action before testing 40,000 and testing 2,500. Again, I think Chainlink proceeds to break 22 and move higher.